Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're learning social chunks for making friends. These chunks include unusual phrases that make you sound advanced. Perfect for beginners who want to connect naturally with others. Listen first, then repeat each chunk. Let's begin. Breaking the ice chunks. I don't think we've met. I don't think we've met. You look familiar. You look familiar. Have we crossed paths before? Have we crossed paths before? I'm terrible with names. I'm terrible with names. Remind me of your name again. Remind me of your name again. Your face rings a bell. Your face rings a bell. I'm drawing a blank on your name. I'm drawing a blank on your name. Small world, isn't it? Small world, isn't it? Showing genuine interest chunks. I'm genuinely curious. I'm genuinely curious. That's fascinating. That's fascinating. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. Tell me more about that. Tell me more about that. I'd love to hear more. I'd love to hear more. That sounds right up my alley. That sounds right up my alley. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. That really resonates with me. That really resonates with me. Finding common ground chunks. We're on the same wavelength. We're on the same wavelength. Great minds think alike. Great minds think alike. I can totally relate to that. I can totally relate to that. We have so much in common. We have so much in common. I'm in the same boat. I'm in the same boat. You've hit the nail on the head. You've hit the nail on the head. That strikes a chord with me. That strikes a chord with me. We're kindred spirits. We're kindred spirits. Making sophisticated compliments chunks. You have such great taste. You have such great taste. I really admire your perspective. I really admire your perspective. You have a way with words. You have a way with words. Your enthusiasm is contagious. Your enthusiasm is contagious. You're such a breath of fresh air. You're such a breath of fresh air. You really know your stuff. You really know your stuff. You have a good eye for detail. You have a good eye for detail. You're a natural at this. You're a natural at this. Expressing genuine appreciation chunks. I really appreciate you taking the time. I really appreciate you taking the time. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. You've really brightened my day. You've really brightened my day. I'm so grateful for your insight. I'm so grateful for your insight. You've given me a lot to think about. You've given me a lot to think about. I couldn't have asked for better company. I couldn't have asked for better company. You've made such a good impression. You've made such a good impression. I feel like I've learned so much from you. I feel like I've learned so much from you. Sophisticated invitation chunks. Would you be up for grabbing coffee sometime? Would you be up for grabbing coffee sometime? I'd love to pick your brain about this. I'd love to pick your brain about this. We should definitely stay in touch. We should definitely stay in touch. I'd be keen to hear your thoughts on. I'd be keen to hear your thoughts on. Perhaps we could continue this over dinner. Perhaps we could continue this over dinner. I'd welcome the opportunity to chat more. I'd welcome the opportunity to chat more. Would you fancy meeting up again? Would you fancy meeting up again? I'd love to explore this topic further with you. I'd love to explore this topic further with you. Advanced reaction chunks. That's music to my ears. That's music to my ears. You've piqued my interest. You've piqued my interest. That's food for thought. That's food for thought. I never looked at it that way. I never looked at it that way. You've opened my eyes to something new. You've opened my eyes to something new. That's a fresh perspective. That's a fresh perspective. I'm thoroughly impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. That really gets me thinking. That really gets me thinking. Sophisticated agreement chunks. I couldn't agree more wholeheartedly. I couldn't agree more wholeheartedly. That's precisely my sentiment. That's precisely my sentiment. You've articulated exactly what I was thinking. You've articulated exactly what I was thinking. We're definitely on the same page. We're definitely on the same page. You've captured it perfectly. You've captured it perfectly. My thoughts exactly. My thoughts exactly. That resonates deeply with me. That resonates deeply with me. I share your enthusiasm completely. I share your enthusiasm completely. Building deeper connections, chunks. I feel like we really clicked. I feel like we really clicked. There's something about you I can't quite put my finger on. There's something about you I can't quite put my finger on. You seem like someone I could really open up to. You seem like someone I could really open up to. I have a good feeling about this friendship. I have a good feeling about this friendship. You bring out the best in people. You bring out the best in people. I feel like I can be myself around you. I feel like I can be myself around you. You have such a calming presence. You have such a calming presence. I'm drawn to your positive energy. I'm drawn to your positive energy. Memorable conversation enders chunks. This has been absolutely delightful. This has been absolutely delightful. I've really enjoyed our chat. I've really enjoyed our chat. You've made my day considerably brighter. You've made my day considerably brighter. This conversation has been such a pleasure. This conversation has been such a pleasure. I hope our paths cross again soon. I hope our paths cross again soon. Until we meet again. Until we meet again. I'll be looking forward to next time. I'll be looking forward to next time. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Showing vulnerability and authenticity chunks. I'll be honest with you. I'll be honest with you. I'm a bit out of my comfort zone. I'm a bit out of my comfort zone. I don't usually open up this quickly. I don't usually open up this quickly. I'm still figuring things out myself. I'm still figuring things out myself. To be completely transparent. To be completely transparent. I'm not usually this talkative. I'm not usually this talkative. You've caught me at a vulnerable moment. You've caught me at a vulnerable moment. I hope I'm not oversharing. I hope I'm not oversharing. Advanced empathy chunks. I can only imagine how that felt. I can only imagine how that felt. That must have been incredibly challenging. That must have been incredibly challenging. I really feel for you. I really feel for you. Your strength is truly inspiring. Your strength is truly inspiring. I have so much respect for how you handled that. I have so much respect for how you handled that. You've been through so much. You've been through so much. I'm here if you need someone to listen. I'm here if you need someone to listen. Thank you for trusting me with that. Thank you for trusting me with that. Creating memorable moments chunks. This calls for a celebration. This calls for a celebration. We should make this a tradition. We should make this a tradition. I have a feeling this is the start of something special. I have a feeling this is the start of something special. Let's make a pact. Let's make a pact. This moment deserves to be remembered. This moment deserves to be remembered. I'll treasure this conversation. I'll treasure this conversation. We're creating memories here. We're creating memories here. Years from now, we'll look back on this moment. Years from now, we'll look back on this moment. Sophisticated disagreement chunks. I see where you're coming from, however. I see where you're coming from, however. I respectfully disagree. I respectfully disagree. That's an interesting perspective, though I think. That's an interesting perspective, though I think. I'm inclined to see it differently. I'm inclined to see it differently. Let me offer a counterpoint. Let me offer a counterpoint. I'd like to challenge that notion. I'd like to challenge that notion. That's where we differ, I'm afraid. That's where we differ, I'm afraid. I have mixed feelings about that. I have mixed feelings about that. Maintaining mystery and intrigue chunks. There's more to the story. There's more to the story. I'll save that tale for another time. I'll save that tale for another time. That's a story for another day. That's a story for another day. I'm full of surprises. I'm full of surprises. You haven't seen anything yet. You haven't seen anything yet? I have a few tricks up my sleeve. I have a few tricks up my sleeve. All will be revealed in due time. All will be revealed in due time. Curiosity will have to suffice for now. Curiosity will have to suffice for now. Excellent work today. You've learned over 130 sophisticated social chunks. These phrases will make you sound advanced even as a beginner. They show depth, empathy, and genuine interest in others. Use them to build meaningful friendships. People will be impressed by your natural English. Remember, authentic connection comes from genuine interest in others. These chunks simply give you the words to express it beautifully. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.